Welcome to Naked Trader Tutorials. In this video I will show you how you can save your chart. Your chart is named as unnamed. I would recommend you to change the name in whatever you like. In this case I will change this into tutorial. So imagine that you have drawn some lines, indicators, whatever, and you want to keep it as it is. So I will put a Fibonacci 2. Then you can go here, either click on save if it's not auto-saved, but I would recommend you to turn on the auto-save, so that saves you a lot of trouble. If you switch from layout to another layout, and then you can load your layout and go back. So that was it. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers, bye bye.